Kapamilya artist sama-samang nagpaalam, ABS-CBN sisimula ng sirain. Kasalukuyan nga na nagaganap ngayon ang isang pagdiriwang at pamamaalam ng mga kapamilya artist, sa makasaysayang parte ng ABS-CBN, at bukod sa sikat na tower ng ABS ay tila magpapalam na din nga sila sa mga sikat na studio sa ABS-CBN, kabilang na din nga dito ay ang Showtime Studio. Present din sa event ang mga Showtime host at mga bigating artista ng kapamilya. Magkakasunod din na dumating sila Coco Martin at ang mga cast ng Batang Quiapo. Emosyonal din ang naging mensahe ng mga big bosses ng Kapamilya Network.
Everything that happened to us, nothing is truly forever. But that's not true. We all know Kapamilya is forever. I just finished reading this book called All the Colors of the Dark, and this phrase captures how I feel today. Don't cry that it's over, smile that it happened. So as painful as it is to say goodbye to all of this, smile because we have these memories to fall back on. Keep telling those stories so that we may never forget. And always remember, tayong lahat, we are forever Kapamilya. Thank you. Smile because we have these memories to fall back on. Keep telling those stories so that we may never forget. And always remember, tayong lahat, we are forever Kapamilya. Thank you.
Yes, we are forever Kapamilya. Maraming salamat, Mr. Carlo Batigba. And right now, let's hear some inspiring words coming from the chairman of ABS-CBN, Mr. Mark Lopez.
Thank you, Robbie. Good afternoon, mga Kapamilya. I'm so happy to see all of you today. Thank you for being here. Gabi, FMG, who was here earlier, CSC, and to
balik po yung drone natin, so kaway po tayo ulit pagbalik. Pakibaba po yung mga nagsiselfie, wala pong cellphone.
Ilaw mula sa ABS-CBN Tower, tandaan nyo, tayo ang ilaw ng bawat kapamilya.